Hey guys, welcome to another awesome tutorial of Code Artist, and today we are going to see a beautiful animated floating ball menu, okay, menu bar, or you can say navbar. And after that I will explain the code from top to bottom. I will explain everything about my code. I will provide the code file in the description below, a GitHub link in the description, and I will provide code for both Next.js and for TypeScript, because some of the students or some of the persons who use nowadays TypeScript in his project, in his next project, or in any project. Okay, so he can copy the TypeScript project. Otherwise, those who are not using Next.js, those who are using React.js or Next.js, who can those students can copy my Next.js code. Okay, so without any wastage of timing, I will show you what we are going to see today, and after that I will show the code part. Okay, so I've already opened this project to avoid any wastage of timing. So it is a floating ball menu. I will show you on by default. I will set it on the home page. Like when you refresh the page, it is automatically on the home section, not on the notification on the any camera, or okay, and not on the any other icon. Okay, so if you click on the see the effect, see the floating ball effect, is how smoothly it is floating. Okay, see the effect, how good it is looking. So if you put it in your project, it gives an awesome look to your project. Okay, and guys, I'm not combined it with any project, so I'm using a default color or background from my side. I use a gradient color, so it is not necessary that you also use these colors. Also, you can customize these all things according to your use. Okay, so I think you are a beginner or experienced, you can easily customize these colors, these icons, according to your use, which gives good look to your project. Okay, which suit your project. So it is not necessary to use these icons. Like if you are not using notification icon in your project, just remove it, place whatever you icon using in your project. Okay, so I just put a sample in front of you. So if you are using some dark thing, so customize these icons, customize this ball menu according to your project. Okay, and guys, one more thing, if you think I am providing some good content to you, so please support my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and I will show you the code part. I have already opened that also. Yeah, here is the code part. And for icons, I am using React icons. I think you are familiar with the React icons. If you do not want to use React icons in your project, just use whatever icons you are familiar with. Like if you want to use SVG PNG, you can also use those images file also in place of these icons. And here I make a reference of these icons. Here is the JXS code. Yeah, it is the next code. Okay, it is the Next.js code, and in the same file I have commented out the TypeScript code also. Here is the TypeScript code. Okay, so I commented out it. Just copy and paste this code. If you are using TypeScript in your project, so just copy and paste paste it in your project. Okay, and here is the total TypeScript code. Same code I change this code in the TypeScript code. Okay, and CSS for those CSS for both these files is same. Here is a CSS code. Okay, I will provide this file in the description. Just go and copy this all code and paste it in your project. Okay, one by one. So here is the CSS code. Just copy and paste. Just copy this CSS code from top to bottom. Select and copy. Okay, and after selecting, place control plus forward slash. Okay, copy and paste it in your project and give a better look to your project. Okay, and do not forget to customize it according to your project. Okay, that give a better look to your project. Okay, you can easily do it. That's not a big task for anyone. Okay, so thanks for guys for today. We'll meet in another next video. Okay, thanks for supporting my channel. Thanks a lot.